Hi guys, I want to add a very quick video to this course, and that is how to install lookup tables properly to Premiere Pro. This is an article from mixinglight.com, and you can Google this and read it yourself. But basically, from Adobe CC 2018 and onwards, there's a new method for installing lookup tables, which will allow you to kind of save the hassle of installing the lookup tables every time you upgrade Adobe. So it goes like this, that you choose this folder path. If you're using Mac, you choose this. If you're using Windows, you choose this. And then you just copy it. You go to Finder. I don't know how to do this on Windows, but I guess you're smart enough to figure it out yourself. And you paste it here. And when you press, if you do this first time, it will give you this warning. The folder does not can't be found. It doesn't exist, and that's because we have this ending. So I'm going to take that away and click here. So we end up in this common folder, and now I need to create that folder called LUTs, and inside the LUTs folder I need to create two subfolders: creative, and then I need to add the technical folder. And the creative will be careful to have them exactly like on this article, so capital first letter and then small. Anyway, so in the creative tab, the lookup tables will appear in the creative tab, and the technical will be appearing in the input or the paste tab. Okay, so then I'm gonna go and look for my color correction kit, and then I'm gonna take these first ones. First is other profiles to vlog. I'm gonna put them into the technical folder, and then I'm going to take these ones and I'm going to put them to the technical folder, and then I'm going to put them into the creative folder as well. And that's a reason I might want to use them on each of those. And then the third one, these I'm going to put into the creative folder, and then the fourth one I'm going to put into the creative folder as well. So there we go. And then in the tools folder I have a couple lookup tables that I might use as well. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and all of those. Yes, I'm gonna copy them and I'm gonna put them in the creative folder as well. Okay, so now I have installed them, and if I now open Premiere Pro, they should appear in the base and creative tabs for you to use. And if you update your Premiere Pro, you don't need to do this again, because yeah, the previous version, they disappeared after every update, but now they stay there. Okay, that's about it, and bye.